press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to history class Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. The continued part we have discussed in the last class of February Revolution 1917. A monarchy system was ended by the revolution of February Revolution. King, the Tsar II, Nicholas II, he ran away from the country. And next, what happened with after February? What happened after February? Okay, next, let us continue with after February. Army officials, landowners and industrialists. Army, those who are working in the army field and those who have owned the land ownership and those who have industries, who were the owner of industries, they were called as industrialists. These three people, which were the three people? Army officials, landowners, industrialists. These three peoples were influential in the provincial government. A provincial government, it was started after the revolution. Before the revolution, a provincial government, it provoked the people to the revolution. We have discussed how was provincial government started in the last period. Those who have influenced by provincial government, army officials, landowners and industrialists. And next, by the other end, but the liberals as well as socialists, among them worked towards an elected government. These two government, provisional government, it was influenced by industrialists, landowners, army officials. But the elected government or socialist government or republic government, it was influenced by liberals and socialists. Just you have to understand two couple of things. First one is provincial government, next one is elected government. Provincial government attracted by army officials, landowners, industrialists. They wanted provincial government. But elected government, those two people, liberals and socialists, they wanted elected government. Restrictions on the public meetings and associations were removed. Restriction ittala public meeting and associations mele after the monarch ended, it was removed. Soviets, it was created after the end of monarchy. Soviet was created. Last period we have discussed in the Petrograd Soviet. It was one of the Soviet council were set up everywhere through no common system of election was followed. Andre avaru onde tara common system of election na follow madi. Yaru Soviets, Petrograd Soviet. And next in April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to Russia from his exile. Exile andre gadifar madidru yavaga king. He exiled the Vladimir Lenin. Lenin was the famous reformer of Russia. Vladimir Lenin, in 1917, after the revolution, he returned his country. Okay, avanu tanna country ge vapas aagtane. From his exile, he and the Bolshevik had opposed the war since 1914. Those who were opposed war, the first one is Bolshevik and next one is Vladimir Lenin. He was the leader. Who was Vladimir Lenin? He was the leader of Bolshevik. One more question, who was Vladimir Lenin? He was the leader of Bolshevik party. No, he left. It was the time to Soviets to take over the power. It was a time. He argued that it was a time. Which was a time? When the monarchy it was ended. It was a time to take over the Soviet Russia. To take over Russia. He declared that. Declare madide. Yaru? Vladimir Lenin. Who was Vladimir Lenin? He was the leader of Bolshevik party. And he gained the power after the revolution by the control. He controlled the Russia under the party of Bolshevik. The first one declared the war be brought to close. The war, it was started from First World War. There were two groups. The first one group is Alliance Power. Next one is Central Power. Alliance Power included by France, England, Russia. Next, Central Power, it was included by Italy, Germany. Germany, Austria, Hungary. This war has to be brought. This war was to be brought by Lenin. That's why he always argued that the war, first point. What were the declaration given by Vladimir Lenin? First point, the war be brought to close. War close ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ. Land be transferred to the peasants. Land be transferred to the peasants. From aristocracy to peasants. Land, it was only for vassals. Vassals ಕೈಲಿ ಐತೆ or ಜಮೀನ್ದಾರ್ಸ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಐತೆ. It was transferred from ಜಮೀನ್ದಾರ್ to peasants. And banks be nationalized. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಓಪನ್ ಅಪ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಕೃತ ಆಗಬೇಕು. These three demands were Lenin's April thesis. April prabandha anta, thesis which means prabandha. April thesis were written by Lenin, Vladimir Lenin. Here in this book he has mentioned three declaration. Included another one declaration which was given by Vladimir Lenin. That was, he also argued that a Bolshevik party rename itself the Communist Party. In the last period we have discussed. This is the April thesis. This is a book. It was the thesis which means Prabandha, April. It was written by Vladimir Lenin. He also argued that the Bolshevik party rename itself the Communist Party according to him. He wants to be renamed from Bolshevik party to Communist party, were initially surprised by the April thesis. Initially surprised by April thesis. Okay, what were the demands given by Vladimir Lenin? The first one is the war be able brought to close, land be transferred to the peasants, bank to be nationalized. Fourth point is he argued that Bolshevik party rename itself Communist Party. It was initially surprised. They thought that the time was not yet ripe for the socialist revolution. Who thought? The leaders of Bolshevik party, other leaders, apart from Lenin, other leaders thought that the time was not yet ripe for a socialist revolution and the provisional government needed to be supported. The time was not yet ripe ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಗಿದ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಣ್ಣು ಮಾಗಿದ ತಾನೇ ತಿನ್ನ ನಾವು, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಗಿದ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ changed their attitudes. In the initial years, provisional government needed to be supported, but the developments of the subsequent months changed their attitude. ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, spread. Here, this is the worker movement which can be seen on the board. In the summer, workers movement spread. In industrial areas, factory committees were formed. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕಮಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, which began questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. How they run their factories. They question ಮಾಡಿದ ಯಾರು? In factory committees, they began questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. Trade unions grew in number. Trade unions, ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದವು. Soldiers committees were formed in the army. There were 3 committees which were formed in the Russia after the February Revolution. The first one committee, which were the 3 committees formed in Russia after the February Revolution. The first committee was factory committee, second committee was trade union, third committee was soldier committee. Which were the 3 committees formed in Russia after the revolution, after the February Revolution? Factory committee, traders committee, soldiers committee. These 3 committees were formed. And next, in June, about 500 Soviets, which means provisional government, after the end of autocracy, after the ran away of King Nicholas II, sent representative to all Russian Congress of Soviets. In June, about 500 Soviets sent representatives. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ರಷ್ಯಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸೋವಿಯತ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ. As the provisional government saw its power reduced and Bolshevik power influence grow. They thought that, who thought that? Provisional government saw its power reduce and Bolshevik influence grow. Bolshevik influence grow. Our thought, our influence saw its power reduce and Bolshevik influence grow. Decided to take stern measure against the spreading discontent. Against the spreading discontent. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಠಿಣ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತಂದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಎಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ. ಈ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಏನು? ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್? ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ. ಏನ್ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ? ಏನ್ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ? ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ, ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪವರ್ reduce power of provisional government power reduce and Bolshevik government influence grow. It was a discontent. That's why they decided to take stern measures against the spreading discontent. What were the stern measures brought by provisional government? Let us continue. It resisted attempts by workers to run factories and began arresting leaders. It resisted attempted by worker to run factories, began arresting leaders. ಆದರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ದೇ ಸಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ರನ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಈ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ, ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು? ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್. Popular demonstrations staged by the Bolshevik in July 1917 were sternly repressed. Many Bolshevik leaders had to go into hiding or flee. Okay, here popular demonstrations staged by the Bolshevik. ಬಹಳ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಗಳು ಅದು ಇನ್ ಜುಲೈ 97 ವರ್ ಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಯಾರು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? repressed by provisional government. Many Bolshevik leaders had to go into hiding or flee. These are all the measures. It was brought by provisional government. What was the measures? Popular demonstrations staged by Bolshevik in July were sternly repressed. Here you can understand what was the question. What were the measures brought by provisional governments to control the Bolshevik party? The first one measures, popular demonstrations staged by the Bolshevik in July was sternly repressed. Second point is, many Bolshevik leaders had to go into hiding. Hiding ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೋಬಾಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಫ್ಲೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಲಾಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಮೀನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಸೈಡ್, peasants and their socialist leaders pressed for redistribution of land. After February Revolution, when Lenin took over the administration of Russia, in the countryside, peasants and their socialist revolutionary leaders pressed for redistribution of land. That's why land committees were formed to handle this. Situation and encouraged by the land committees were formed. Redistribution of land in order to make the redistribution of land. Encouraged by the socialist revolutionaries. It was encouraged. Land committees were encouraged by the socialist revolutionaries. A peasant seized land between July and September 1970. Peasants ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು? ಸೀಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಟ್ಟುಗೋಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ? ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಜುಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್. ಯಾರ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ? ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. This is the achievement of Bolshevik party. And next, as the conflict between the revolutionary of October 1917. What happened with revolution of October 1917? Nodi, this is the first. We have discussed the February revolution, how it was done, how it was waged, how it was done. Next, after what happened when Lenin came to Russia. Next, let us continue with the revolution of October 1917. as the conflict between the provisional government and the Bolshevik grew. There are two parties. Initially it was formed. Which was formed? Provisional government was formed initially. And in addition to that, in the parallel way, a Bolshevik party, it was formed by Lenin. These two people grieve. Conflict which means our madhya jagada aagtane ittu. Between whom did conflict take place? Between whom did conflict take place in the Russian Revolution of October 1917? The first one is provisional government and the next one is Bolshevik government. Lenin feared the provision of government would set up dictatorship. Lenin ge bhaya aitu enanta provisional government would set up the dictatorship which means a one person one organization. There was no people government. There is no people government. One person is the king. Entire country it was controlled by dictator. ಅವನೊಬ್ಬನ ಕೈಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಟ್ಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಸೋಲಿನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೌ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ಶಿಪ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಆಯ್ತು ಲೆನಿನ್ಗೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಹಿ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಯಾರು? ಹೂ? ಲೆನಿನ್ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಅಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Bolshevik supporters in the army, Soviet and factories were brought together. Okay, ಯಾರು? ಲೆನಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ. ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸೇರಿದ್ರು? Bolshevik supporters in the army, Bolshevik supporters in the Soviets, Bolshevik supporters in the factories brought together. On 16th October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet under Lenin Trotsky to organize the seizure. The date of event was kept a secret. 16th October ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಲೆನಿನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂಡೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನವೊಲಿಸಿದ ಯಾರು? ಪೆಟ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಡ್ ಸೋವಿಯತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿ ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಟು ಎ ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಜರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್. ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಜರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನ. A military revolutionary committee was appointed. Military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet ಇಂದ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾರು ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯಾರು ಇತ್ತು? ಲೆನಿನ್ ಟ್ರೋಟ್ಸ್ಕಿ ಟು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ದ ಸೀಸರ್. ಈ ಸೀಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಮುಟ್ಟುಗೋಲನ್ನ ಏನ ಸೀಸರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮುಟ್ಟುಗೋಲು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಏನನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟುಗೋಲು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅರಿಸ್ಟೋಕ್ರಸಿ, ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರನ್ನ. And next, the uprising began 24th October. Sensing trouble. It was a sensing trouble ಆಯಿತು. Prime Minister Kerensky had left the city. Summoned troops. ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಹಲವಾರು ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? He left the city. At dawn which means ಮುಂಜಾನೆ, military men loyal to the government seized the buildings of two Bolshevik newspapers. How they suppressed the Bolshevik? How did they suppress the Bolshevik party? ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ಹಡ್ಡಾನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ, ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಮೆನ್ ಲಾಯಲ್ ಟು ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ ದೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೆನಿನ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಲಾಯಲ್ ಟು ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಸೀಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. The measures it was taken by provisional government. Military men loyal to the government seized the buildings of two Bolshevik newspapers. Pro-government troops were sent to take over the telephone and telegraph offices and protect the Winter Palace. Next, pro-government troops. Pro-government which means ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? were sent by the government to take over telephone ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಫೀಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, protect the Winter Palace. In swift response, the Military Revolutionary Committee ordered its support to seize the government officers and arrest ministers. In ಕೆಲವೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ the Military Revolutionary Committee, it was formed by Lenin, ordered its support to seize government officers. ಇವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರು? It was made by government. Next, in order to revenge, Lenin ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆನಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೀಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸಸ್. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು pro government troops sent to take over the telephone and telegraph offices, protect the Winter Palace. Committee ordered its support seize government officers and arrest ministers. Late in the day, the ship Aurora shelled the Winter Palace. Shelled which means protected in the Winter Palace. Ship ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ Aurora ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ship ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Winter Palace ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Other vessels sailed down the Neva and took over the various military points. Which means vessels which means the land owner who had owned the land, they were called as vessels. They connected link between the king and the peasants. Vessels sailed down the Neva. ನೇವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ನೌಕೆಯ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೇವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸೇಲ್ಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಟುಕ್ ಓವರ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಬೈ nightfall the city was under the committee's control. Which committee? Military Revolutionary Committee. Okay, city was a committee's control and the ministers had surrendered. And the minister had surrendered at a meeting of the All Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd. Ella meetings Petrograd alli kadre, capital city of Russia. The major approved the Bolshevik action. Uprising took place in other cities. The majority approved the Bolshevik action. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಟುಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಅಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆವಿ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕೋ. ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಕೋ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು, ಇವನು ಲೆನಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಮಾಸ್ಕೋನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕೋ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್? The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to private property. He was the leader of Bolshevik. Who was the leader of Bolshevik? Lenin. He was totally opposed to private property. No one should own private property. A private property which belongs to government, according to him, a private property which belongs to government was not belonged by private property, individual. Most industry and blanks were nationalist in November 1917. Most industry and blanks were nationalist in November 1997. This meant the government took over the ownership and management. Which government? Bolshevik government took over ownership and management. Land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. What were the achievements of Bolshevik government? First achievement was the government took over ownership and management. Second one is land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Land gal noble annante idralla, kings or land owners, vessels, avrinda land anna seize madkondre yaru, peasants, and they would become the owner of that land. In cities, Bolsheviks enforced the partition of large houses according to the family requirements. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅರಿಸ್ಟೋಕ್ರಸಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋಬೆಲಿಟಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಸೀಜ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೋಬೆಲಿಟಿ, ದೇ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಬೋಲ್ಶೆವಿಕ್ ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಹೌಸಸ್, ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು according to the family requirement. ಅವರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They banned the use of old titles of aristocracy. Who banned? Bolshevik party banned the use of old titles of aristocracy. Example, aristocracy titles ಗಳನ್ನ Tsar Nicholas and next Tsar Nicholas, ಹಿಂಗೆ Tsar ಅಂತ, that was one of the title. It was banned by Bolshevik party. To assert the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials. Following a cloth competition organized in 1918, when the Soviet hat Budanov was chosen. Was chosen. Okay. And next, here, what were the achievements of Bolshevik party? What happened after February? The first one achievement is government took over ownership and management. Land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land nobility. Next one is Bolshevik enforced the partition of land houses according to the family requirements. Next, fourth one point is they banned the use of old titles and aristocracy. Fifth one point is the asset the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials. Following a clothing competition organized in 1918, new Soviet hat and this is the new hat. It was called as Bodanovka was chosen. These are the achievements of Bolshevik. Next, the Bolshevik party renamed the Russian Communist Party, which was called as the Russian Communist Party. A Bolshevik party, it was called as Russian Communist Party. In November 1917, the Bolshevik conducted the election to the Constituent Assembly, but they failed to gain majority support. In November election Bolshevik conducted the election to the Constituent Assembly. Here you can see that in India also Constituent Assembly, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Here in Karnataka, Vidhana Parishad and Vidhana Sabha, but they failed to gain majority support. In January 1918, the assembly rejected Bolshevik measures and Lenin dismissed the assembly. Again, assembly rejected the Bolshevik measures. Reject. What were the Bolshevik measures? What were the Bolshevik measures? Or what were the achievements of Bolshevik government? Or what were the achievements of Lenin? The first achievement is land was declared social property. Second, peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Third one, enforced the partition of land house according to their family requirements. Fourth one, they banned use of old titles of aristocracy. Fifth one, the asset the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials following a cloth competition organized. And sixth one, the Bolshevik party was renamed the Russian Communist Party and election was conducted. Next, seventh, eighth one, is to seventh measures rejected martu yadu government assembly reject martu. Lenin dismissed the assembly. Lenin dismiss the assembly. Bolshevik party dismiss made. And next he thought all Russian Congress of Soviets were more democratic than an assembly elected in uncertain conditions. All Russian Congress of Soviets was more democratic. Avrellaru kuda democratic agidru than the assembly elected in uncertain condition. Assembly uncertain condition alli matte enaitu elect aitu in March 1918 despite opposition by their political alliance, the Bolshevik made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. Germany ಎಂದಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕಂತು ಒಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಂದವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕಂತು ಒಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್-ಲಿಟೋವ್ಸ್ಕ್. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ allies, the Bolshevik made peace with the German ಎಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. In the years that followed, the Bolshevik became the only party to participate in the election to all Russian Congress of Soviets, which became the parliament of the country. Here we can see how happened. Lenin, he organized Bolshevik party and he made Bolshevik party became the only party to participate in the election all Congress of Soviets, which became the parliament of the country. Russia became of a one party state. Which party? That was the Bolshevik party. Which party? Russia became a one party. How do you say that? One party state? Because Russia was ruled by one and only party, that was Bolshevik party. It was led by Vladimir Lenin. Trade unions were kept under party control. All trade unions were kept under the Bolshevik party control. The secret police called the Cheka first and later OGPU and NKVD punished those who criticized the Bolshevik party. Nodri, yaar secret police galannu itru. Avaru enada karidare secret police, it was called as Cheka first and later OGU police force, NKVD police force punished those who criticized the Bolshevik party. Many younger writers and artists rallied to the party because they stood for socialism and for change. Many younger ellaru kuda writers, artists, younger writers, artists rallied to the party support ಮಾಡಿದೆ, stood for socialism and for change. After October 97, this led to the experiment in the arts and architecture. In Russia, this is the Russia total, it was ruled by Bolshevik party. But many became disillusioned because of the censorship of party encouraged. Nodri October alli enaitu experiment art and architecture, it was growing up in 19 October 1917. But many illusionized which means ಭ್ರಮ ನಿರಸನವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಏನೇ ಕೆತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. illusionized ಯಾಕೆ disillusionized ಆಯಿತು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್. Because of the censorship of the party encouraged. Okay, here these are the things we have discussed what changed after October. Okay, I hope you have understood. And what we have discussed in this class? In this class we have discussed the what were the achievements of Bolshevik party after the February Revolution. Next, last slides we have discussed the February Revolution and what happened after revolution. These are all the discussed in this class. Thank you.